Delhi government scraps 60 Lakh renovation plan for CM Rekha Gupta's residence. The Delhi government withdrew a 60 Lakh tender for the renovation of Chief Minister Rekha Gupta's official residence, citing administrative reasons, according to a notification issued by the Public Works Department (PWD). The scrap proposal included a major overhaul of the CMS accommodation, with plans for extensive electrical fittings such as 14 air conditioners, multiple television sets and other upgrades. The renovation was part of a larger plan to modernize the Chief Minister's official residence, and the cancellation comes 3 days after the scheduled opening of bids. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who has been living in her private residence since assuming office in February, is expected to soon shift into one of the 2 government bungalows allotted to her on Raj Niwas Marg. What were Rekha Gupta's official residence plans? As News 18 earlier reported, the plan included installing 14 split air conditioners worth over 7.7 lakh, 6 geysers costing nearly 92,000 and a fully automatic 10 kg washing machine priced at 77,750. The ceilings were to feature chandeliers valued at over 90,000, while ceiling fans each priced at 8,000 would have brought the total cost for fans alone to 1.81 lakh. The kitchen, too, was designed for high-end functionality to include a wall-mounted 90 cm electric chimney with auto-clean features, touch control, and a motion sensor priced at 27,309. A 5-burner gas hob with auto-ignition was estimated at over 63,000. Plans also included a 20-liter microwave worth 32,579 and a 71-liter oven toaster grill costing 85,828. Swipe left for next video. The residence was set to be further equipped with a dishwasher priced at 60,809, 2 RO water purifiers and a water cooler worth 54,536. Additionally, the electrical upgrade included an uninterruptible power supply UPS system worth 2.08 lakh and 2 open-well submersible water pumps, each priced at 38,743. This tender was issued for the first bungalow, which Rekha Gupta was to use as her residence. A separate tender was expected to follow for renovations to the second bungalow, which would serve as her official office. The shelved document, titled Renovation and Upgradation of Bungalow No. 1, mentioned a timeline of 60 days for completing the work and had scheduled bid openings for July 4 at 3:30 p.m. Latest blogs.